The next in the series is the split squat sequence, and what we're going to do is a progression on split squats where we start at probably with the most simple of the movements and then progress on, looking at the aspects of how we hold our body position and where our feet should be. The first one, as I say, is a standard position where from here we lunge forward. Now it's a split squat, so what we're actually looking for the focus of is keeping and maintaining our torso right in the middle of our foot position. The initiation of the movement, the first start of the movement, is to actually drop the back knee down just shy of tipping the ground. Front knee should be directly over the ankle, and then we return back to the starting position. So it's down and up, down, maintaining a really high torso. So our hips essentially are going straight up and straight down. So the next progression is where we actually elevate the feet slightly, and the emphasis on this is actually try and get a little bit more range in that drop down. We don't want the knee actually hitting the ground, but we actually want to extend it down further. So for this purpose, we've actually used just 2 plates. You can use whatever's available to you. Back into our lunge position. Remember, remaining as upright as possible. Back knee starts the movement as we drop down, and we really get through that deeper range, and then bring it up. Quite obviously, we can be holding a kettlebell as in a goblet position, kettlebells or dumbbells in the hand, or indeed a bar, front or to the rear. Nice and strong, really feeling it, maintaining that upright position and making those hips just go straight up and down. We move on from using a prop where we're actually elevated to a movement where we're now actually moving laterally. So the lateral movement again is a split squat, but we're splitting by going laterally. So we're moving to one side and dropping into that squat position and maintaining there, dropping into the other squat position. Central and squat, central and squat. All the time ensuring wherever the direction our foot is pointing, the knee follows. Try and maintain as best possible a straight leg behind and coming up to the center. This is progressed by doing essentially a single leg squat. So what we're going to do as we Cossack squat, we're now going to step up to bring our feet together. So it's like a lateral lunge. We center, we squat, and we take that step right up. We center, we squat, and we come up. Once more, final onto the other side. We center, we push that hip back, pushing that knee out, and we step up. The final movement comes from a position where we're actually elevating our rear foot, which is possibly the most difficult one. It's generally referred to as a Bulgarian split squat, where we've got an element on which we elevate the rear foot. The squat position with the foot out in front maintains the same. Torso stays up. As we drop down, knee stays directly over ankle, and we push up and through. We're not pushing forward, we're maintaining that hip angle and hip movement of straight up and down. And finish.